You know, as professional contractors, we can be better. We need to start utilizing best practices when dealing with dust, and that includes using air scrubbers on our remodeling and demo jobs. If you're still using that archaic window box fan in the window, you know, you're missing an opportunity to be more professional and connect better with your clients. One of the biggest nuances for clients is dust. And you know, these air scrubbers, they clean the air and they recirculate it back into the same room, or you can set it up with a hose like this and you can create a negative pressure environment and get all the dust out. Consider even adding a line item to your project proposals to pick up the cost of this or setup time or whatever as part of your dust control practices. You gain a competitive edge over your competition, as well as you project yourself as a professional contractor who pays attention to the details. The net result is that you're gonna have better client satisfaction and you're gonna get some serious client referrals. I guarantee it.